All right, let's say you've created a graph in Desmos and you're really proud of it and you want to share it. I'm going to show you how that's done. The graph I've created here is 0.5x plus 1. And actually, I'm going to show you a quick trick. If you put curly brackets like this and you say something like 1 less than or equal to x, and then you close the curly brackets, it will change your graph so that it starts where x is 1 and doesn't go anywhere to the left. So it's only the part of the graph after 1. And you can play around with that. You could also do something like less than or equal to 3, and it'll only be the part of your graph that goes from x is 1 to x is 3. Okay, so anyways, now I've created a graph. I'm proud of it. I want to share it. So what do? Well, you're going to have to sign in or create an account. If you're cool like me and you already have an account, you just sign in. You can use Google to create your account and just sign in with Google. It's up to you. But once you've created your account and you've signed in and you've created your graph, you'll go up here and see how it says share graph with this little symbol. Just click on that. And there's lots of different ways that you can share your graph. So one way is through email. Don't do that. Another way is to embed it, and this will allow you to actually create some HTML code that will show like a little preview of your graph in your blog. And so if you're going to do that, you would just copy this code right here and you'd paste it in to the viewing tab in your blog, which I'll show you how to do. The third option is that you click on image and it will actually create this image. You're going to right click on that and you're going to save that image. Click Save Image As, save it to your desktop, wherever you save your stuff, and then you can add it to your blog just like anything else. Okay. And also, you'll notice that it gives you a link. All right. If you copy that link and then you open it and then you paste it into your blog, and somebody clicks on that link, it'll take them right to a copy of your graph. Okay, and so they could go to that graph and start working right where you left off. And this is a really good way when you're working in the TitanPad, in the group workspaces, the chat rooms in TitanPad. This is a way that you could share something you've been working on with somebody else and get feedback or suggestions on how to solve a problem in a place where you're stuck. You could create a graph in Desmos, share the link by going up here, copying and pasting this link into your TitanPad conversation, and that will allow the other person to see what you've been working on and offer suggestions. All right, so sharing with Desmos, pretty easy. When you're creating your blog posts, it's good to include one of these images of your graph in your blog posts. People like pictures. Just do it.